once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around and bring you up when you're feeling down.